India generates 62 million tons of waste every year, with an average annual growth rate of 4%. The rampantly growing piles of garbage pose a serious threat to not just our environment, but also endanger human health worldwide. The emergence of the COVID-19 pandemic has further aggravated this problem. Tons of biomedical waste is being generated in the country every minute. However, India is among the very few countries to take the proactive measures for solving this problem. Recently, a Mumbai-based startup Indra Water has developed a disinfection system aptly named the Vajra Kavach to ensure the reuse of masks, PPE and gloves. Let's go some of the key highlights of the Vajra Kavach disinfectant system and how it will prove beneficial. The Vajra Kavach is an eco-friendly alternative that can significantly reduce biomedical waste in the country without even the hassle of disposing of it. The UV disinfection system of the Vajra Kavach is elegant, user-friendly and convenient. It just takes 5 minutes to easily disinfect used PPE kits, masks, gloves of its viral load. The Vajra Kavach is able to achieve the viral load reduction by 1 lakh fold. In scientific terms, it has proven a reduction of viruses and bacteria by 5 log. Log reduction is a term used to signify the relative number of living microbes that are eliminated after a process of disinfection. Everything deployed in the disinfection system, from idea to technology, and every component that has been used in the manufacturing is made in India, and absolutely nothing is procured from outside. The Vajra Kavach disinfection system has been tested by the Department of Biosciences and Bioengineering at IIT Bombay. The system employs a multi-stage disinfection process consisting of advanced oxidation, COVID discharge and UVC light spectrum to inactivate the viruses, bacteria and other microbial strains with 99.9% efficiency. With the successful deployment of the disinfection system, Vajra Kavach in hospitals, not just the biomedical waste disposal problem can be solved, but with the reuse of biomedical pieces of equipment, affordable PPE, masks and gloves will be able to accessible to all. Behind this innovative breakthrough was a simple yet powerful and frugal idea of reusing rather than disposing of. It was conceived during the nationwide lockdown in March 2020 to help the country fight this pandemic, realizing the huge demand for PPE kits and N95 masks. Thus, a simple disinfection process enabled our corona warriors to reuse their masks and PPEs. That is all in this segment. Keep watching for more updates on India's remarkable breakthroughs.